Hello and welcome to this AB Tutor video. A while back, one of our customers told us they were having problems with students downloading games from the internet, then pulling the network cable out of the computer, meaning that the computer lost connection, and so it disappeared from the console. This allowed them to play the game without the teacher being able to see or stop them through AB Tutor. We solved this problem with the networks condition. Using this, you can create policies which are only applied under certain network conditions, including if the connection is lost. So, let's get started. We want to begin by creating a new policy. From the conditions, select Networks, and from the effects, we need Lock Computer. On the Networks tab, we want to say that the policy should be active when, and then specify the condition Network Disconnected. This will make the policy activate when the computer loses connection. Now, on the Lock Computer tab, we can configure a message for the lock screen to display. This can say whatever you want, but something simple is probably best. You can also assign an image if you want. Alternatively, if you've already created a suitable lock screen, you can select it from the Saved Lock Screens options. Once you're happy with your lock screen, continue to the final tab where you can specify the policy name and icon. This is a general background policy that will typically be left on all computers all the time, so I'm going to choose to set it to apply permanently and be protected so non-admins can't remove it. In this case, having the policy set to can be disabled makes sense, as a teacher may want a computer to be used offline during a lesson, so allowing them to temporarily disable the policy could be desirable. Finally, click Finish to save the new policy. The policy can be applied to all of your computers by right-clicking on all items, selecting Default Device Policies and adding it to the list. It can be applied to a specific group or groups by selecting them, right-clicking, selecting Properties, Default Policies and adding it to the list. Finally, it can be added to specific computers by dragging it onto them. Once the policy is applied, it will be displayed with a grey icon. This is because it's not active yet because the conditions haven't been met, but because the icon is there, you know it's ready to trigger. If the user pulls the network cable out, the computer will immediately lock and then disappear from the console. Once the cable is put back in, the computer will unlock again and can be used as normal. If the console user disables the policy, the icon will change to show it has been disabled and the user can safely unplug it without it locking. This policy will also lock the computer if a wireless network is disconnected. However, the user won't be able to reconnect, the computer will be locked. For this reason, we do not recommend using this policy on computers that connect wirelessly. An alternative is to use a different effect, such as a snapshot or capture. These can be used to inform the admins that the computer has been disconnected without locking it. Note that because there is no network connection, the alerts will not reach the admin until the computer is reconnected. As always, if you have any questions about this or any other AB Tutor features, please email us at support@abtutor.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching!